Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily recover data from an SSD drive. You either have lost that data by mistake or you've deleted it and now you want to recover it, then this video will show you how to do it. Plug your device to your computer if it's an external device. Check in this PC that your device is visible. Read the letter next to your device. In this case it's E, in your case it might be C or D. Next step, open Wise Data Recovery Pro and click here to select a location. Select the location from which you want to recover the data and let it start a scan. The scan may take 5, 10, 15 minutes based on how big is the device and how big is the data that you are trying to recover. But for very small data, it shouldn't take a long time. We'll just need to wait until the scanning is finished and I will show you the next step that you should click. So once the scan has been completed, as you can see, we can select every file that we want to recover or the specific folders. If you want to see what data are you recovering, just click on the little arrow next to it and you should be able to see what type of data it is. So the software gives you the possibility to recover pictures, videos, audio files, documents, text, PDF, Word, databases like Access, PowerPoint, etc., Office folders, containers like archived folders, .rar, .zip, etc. So just make sure to select the appropriate or the documents that you want to recover. And as a next step, click Recover. You need to select the location where to be saved. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going just to recover just few documents so that the video doesn't take too long. So here I have 20 mega only. I click Recover. Select the location where you want to save it. The location must be different from the file from which you are recovering. So in this case, I'm recovering from the drive E or the device E. Then I will have to save it in another location. So I'm going to choose D and we're going to select temporary. As you can see, it's empty. Select folder. OK. And wait. Operation will take few seconds to few minutes based on how big and how fast is your computer and how big is your data. And once done, click OK. Close. Open the folder. And here we have our data recovered. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.